It's Saturday, February 19th, and we've had quite a bit of warmer temperatures. By warm I mean about in the 40s, and we even got near 50. So a lot of the snow melted. So I know that this looks like a lot of snow, but it's a lot less than what it used to be. And the reason I'm showing this is that supposedly by tomorrow we're to have between 8 and 14 inches. It'll be interesting to see what this looks like if that really comes true. So now it's Sunday morning and we still haven't gotten any snow. It's about 7:30. But they still say it's coming, so it'll be interesting to see what this looks like by tomorrow morning. Alright, so it's about noon now and we are getting snow. And supposedly it's just the beginning. It'll be interesting to see how this ends up now. Okay, there's lots of crud on the window, so it's hard to see. I think I'll stick this out the door. It's now almost 4 o'clock, and I went out and blew the snow. So, getting a little bit of snow. Okay, now it's 4:30. Whew. So now it's 7 o'clock on Monday morning. And we got about 12 inches of snow, maybe a little bit more, but you can see that lots of drifting.